Kim Ryan woke up at the dim sun rays filtered through the curtains, casting a warm glow on her face. She turned to see Deong, her newly wed husband and the CEO of Kim Enterprises, snuggled against her neck, sleeping peacefully. A soft smile touched her lips as she placed a gentle kiss on his cheek. Quietly, she slipped out of the bed and made her way to the balcony, craving a moment of calm before the day began. The fresh morning air was welcome contrast to the busy life they led. As she closed her eyes, enjoying the cool breeze and the scenery view of their garden, she felt a pair of strong arms wrap around her waist. You woke up, sweetheart? Young's voice was warm and sleepy as he nuzzled her neck. Yeah, baby, Van replied, leaning into him. Young placed a soft kiss on her shoulder, his embrace tender and reassuring. Young, despite his demanding role as CEO, always made sure to prioritize Vian. His love and attention never wavered, even with his busy schedule. Good morning, princess, he murmured, his voice full of affection. I want to ask you something, Vian said, her voice a mix of hesitation and hope. Young's curiosity was piqued. What is it? Vian turned slightly to look up at him, her eyes shimmering with her usual charm. Can you stay with me all day today? I really want to spend some time with you. Young's heart melted at her pleading gaze. How can I say no to that? Of course I'll stay. I can handle things at the office later. Yay! Van exclaimed, her face lighting with joy. Today I'm starving. Let's cook breakfast together. As you wish, princess, Young said with a playful grin. He lifted her into his arms in a bridal carry, making her blush deeply. Young! Van laughed, her cheeks turning pink. You're making me all shy. I just enjoy seeing you blush. Young teased, his tone light and flirty. Besides, I get to hold my beautiful wife. Van wrapped her arms around his neck, giggling. All right, but you better be ready to help me with the cooking. Anything for you, Young replied, his eyes twinkling. And if you're lucky, I might even whip up a special treat. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Vian said with a grin as Young guided her to the kitchen. Young carried Vian to the kitchen, setting her down gently as they began preparing breakfast. Young couldn't help but steal little moments of affection. He playfully kissed Vian's neck and shoulder, wrapping her in a warm hug as she tried to focus on cooking. Oh, careful, or I might mess up your eggs, Vian laughed, glancing at him with a playful smile. Young leaned in close, his breath warm against her ear. Oh, I'm just making sure you're having a good time. Van rolled her eyes, trying to keep a straight face. I'm definitely having a good time, but I need to concentrate on the pancakes. I will make sure to distract you just enough, Young said with a cheeky grin, planting a soft kiss on her neck. Besides, who need a perfect breakfast when I have a perfect wife? Flattery, will you get everywhere? Brian teased, gently nudging him. But I appreciate it. As they cooked together, Young helped by chopping vegetables and stirring the pot, all while occasionally sneaking in kisses and playful moments. They laughed and joked. Their kitchen turned into a little heaven of romance. Okay, so the food is ready, Vine announced as she set the plates on the table. Young pulled out a chair for her with a flourish. My lady, your breakfast awaits. Van giggled as she sat down. Thank you, kind sir. I'm starved. They enjoyed their meal together, chatting and laughing. Young's flirtiest remarks kept Vian smiling throughout. After breakfast, they made their way to the living room, each holding a steaming cup of coffee. Vian had planned a cozy K-drama marathon for them. So, what's the plan? Young asked, settling onto the couch and pulling Vian close. We're watching the latest K-drama I have been dying to see, Vian said, snuggling into his side. I hope you're ready for some serious binge watching. Young smiled, his eyes twinkling. I'm always ready for whatever you want to do. Plus, I get to spend the day with my beautiful wife. Vine rested her head on his shoulder, feeling content. And I get to enjoy your company. This is perfect. As they settled in, Tongue wrapped an arm around Vian, and they sipped their coffee, enjoying the warm and cozy atmosphere. The day stretched ahead, full of simple joy and shared moments, making it truly special for both of them. Vian started the K-drama, and they both were enjoying it. Within a few minutes, Tongue got fully absorbed in the episode, laughing and reacting like he was her best friend, not just her husband. Seeing him so engaged made Vine smile. It was one of those simple moments that she loved, having fun with the person she adored. But then, Young's phone rang, breaking the moment. He glanced at the screen and chuckled. Oh, it's Jimin. I gotta pick up the call, baby, he said, kissing Vian's forehead. Vian nodded, giving him a little smile as he answered. Yo, what's up, man? Young greeted. Jimin's voice boomed through the phone. Hey, how's married life treating you, huh? Still alive or has Vian already made you do the dishes? Young laughed. Man, I do the dishes and cook breakfast now. She's got me trained. Vian giggled, shaking her head and whispered, Liar? Jimin snored on the other hand. Ha, I knew it. How's it feeling, Mr. Domestic now, CEO of the Kitchen Enterprises? Hey, I'm still the boss around here, Young said with a playful tone, glancing at Vian, who raised an eyebrow. Sure, boss man, Jimin teased. I bet Vian's got you running around doing laundry too. By the way, you guys, tried the married couple benefits yet? Young choked on his laughter. Yeah, Jimin, we have been married for a week. What do you think? I think you have already worn her out. Jimin teased. You were so eager when it came to... Okay. Young interrupted, cheeks turning red as he laughed nervously, glancing at Vian, who was trying not to laugh. I'm hanging up if you're keeping talk like this. But Jimin wasn't done. Just breaking things anything, alright? You still need your strength for work. Goodbye, Jimin. Young laughed, but before he could hang up, Vian's hand slowly slid onto his inner thigh. Young's eyes widened in shock as he felt Vian's hand moving, her fingers teasingly brushing closer. He glanced at her with a mixture of surprise and amusement. Vian smirked, keeping her eyes on the screen like she was innocent. Hey, you there? Jimin's voice crackled on the line. Yeah, I'm here. Young stammered, trying to keep his cool. He shifted uncomfortably, his breath catching as Vian's hand moved again. As Jimin continued to tease Young, Vian's hand moved again, this time sliding a bit deeper, her fingers rubbing softly over him. Young's breath hissed as he quickly bit his lips to stop from escaping. Hey, you okay, man? You sound different. Jimin asked, clearly enjoying the teasing. Yeah, totally fine. Young managed his voice, shaky as Vian's hand worked its magic, her movements slow and teasing. His grip on the phone tightened, his control slipping. Are you sure? Jimin chuckled. You sound like you are busy. Vian, hearing this, smirked and pressed a little more, making Young release a low. He quickly covered his mouth, eyes wide in panic. Yeah, is Vian there? Jimin asked, now fully catching on. I see what's happening. Well, I will let you get back to that, lover boy. Enjoy Vian's company, you lucky guy, Jimin said, and with a laugh before hanging up. Young quickly threw his phone to the side, his chest rising and falling as he turned to Vian, his voice low. You really enjoy torturing me, don't you? Vian smiled innocently. Me? I'm just helping you relax. To be continued.